We're back with another 1-minute photo walk tip today, how to make your colors really pop on a smartphone with something called HDR. Now, HDR is where you take 3 photos, merge them together. There's an automatic feature in both the iPhones and Android phones to do this, but if you really want to do it right, do it in an app. My favorite is Lightroom Mobile. It's free. Look at the before and after difference, and I think you'll want to try it as well. Now in Lightroom, once I take the photo, I edit it. I like these combinations of sliders to improve the photo. Up the blacks and exposure and add a little vibrance, put in a little moody vignette, and that's it. So now let's go out and shoot some great HDR photos. This has been another 1-minute photo walk tip, part of the Photowalks channel, where we look to take you to great places and show you how, where, and when to take great photos and offer you photo tips along the way. We recently went to Balboa Island, Palos Verdes, Manhattan Beach. Who knows where we'll go next? Be sure to stay tuned and watch some more photo walk videos. Thanks, everybody.